for tamariki, solo mum, figuring out, okay, how am I going to nurture my kids on top of getting myself well. Shattered my ankle in a rugby game. Here in Ōpōtiki, I went straight into surgery because my bones were shattered, and my foot was literally turned the other way around. So yeah, it was horrible. I actually had to have 7 surgeries to be able to get my foot back into place. I was actually told that I will never be able to run again. And if you're a person who masters their mindset, I need it. That's a fuel for me. So I did all the things required to heal thy tinana, but I even did more. I had to do more. So I had to go back to my awa weekly in order to cleanse. I had to go back to my hāhi monthly in order to give to tuku to heal from the month ahead and to prepare for the month ahead. I had to go into the whare hauora, ihikura ko te ingoa ko ihikura ki konei to my kura, my school of tinana, to tune into my tinana again. That's what basically allowed me to recover. Yeah, and then the whānau support, knowing my tamariki were safe, were well, having a village of support is a blessing for me, and I never take my whānau for granted in that sense. I'm running now, I'm doing marathons. My tinana is probably at its best in the last 13 years.